historically, children are not included in clinical trials. There's lots of ethical issues around including children in trials. And there are lots of limitations when children are included that make it difficult to assess effectiveness and safety. There has been relatively little information about how drugs work and specifically what side effects they might cause when they are used in children. This paper is an attempt to elucidate systematically what those potential side effects are when drugs are used off-label in children. We produce this method that takes into account development stages. So we use the NICHDs and other agreed upon development stages to group children into different subgroups. Our innovation is that we have a model that can integrate and share information across groups that produces good estimates for each group, but can, by sharing information, bolsters the power of all the estimates. If you look at any individual grouping, it might have very few patients in it. But our hypothesis is that 4-year-olds are more similar to 5-year-olds than they are to 10-year-olds or 14-year-olds. So people in early adolescence are similar to people in late adolescence, but maybe not infants. So what we do is we connect them in our statistical modeling so that some of the information from the neighboring stages can be used to bolster the estimate for the stage that you're estimating for. There's only a few studies that really focus on children first off. The ones that did basically included everyone 18 and under or 21 and under in one group, combining this kind of well-validated model, which are these generalized additive models, with the staging to improve power and enable that analysis is the innovation.
Clinical guidelines are made based on many other evidence sources and looking across other databases. This can be used in conjunction as a piece of evidence, piece of the puzzle that can be used to inform decisions for guidelines in the future, but it can be used just for increasing awareness about, oh, this may be something that we should consider, look into.